Hey guys, welcome back. Once again, it's Daniel Ndukwu. In this video, I'm going to be showing you multiple $1 million affiliate marketing websites. Now, these websites either make $1 million in revenue or are valued at over $1 million. And they're from completely different industries. But one thing is certain, they focused in on affiliate marketing, and from there, they've been able to diversify their income in some cases. While in other cases, they're still pure affiliate marketing websites. They don't have any offers of their own. They don't sell courses. They don't sell physical products. Nothing. It's just affiliate marketing, traffic, and revenue. Finish. So let's dive right in. Now, the first one on our list is called The Busy Budgeter. Now, this affiliate marketing website is run by a single person. The Busy Budgeter is focused on optimizing your home and your budget, and they've created a lot of content around that, such as the 2-minute budget calculation. Now, this library of content is monetized via affiliate links, as well as driving people to her own products and email lists. As you can see, she has over 100,000 email subscribers. She also funnels people to learning paths. So you can learn about things that are interesting to you, or something that you need help with right now. And then she also has her own products. In addition to the products that she sells, she also monetizes, website's a little slow here. She also monetizes her website by working directly with brands through sponsored articles. Now, this is her sponsored article site. She shows the demographics, 90% female, 10% male, and how the brands can work with her. So as of now, she has 165,000 email subscribers, which, to put it lightly, is a lot. So this shows you the different ways you can monetize an affiliate website. And she also uses advertising. She makes roughly $100,000 a month, sometimes more, sometimes a little bit less, which over the course of a year is about $1.2 million. She's very transparent and shares this information in multiple places. And when I reverse the numbers and look at everything she's done, her subscriber numbers, her traffic levels, I can see how she's making that kind of money. The second one on our list is called Outdoor Gear Lab. Outdoor Gear Lab is all about, outdoor gear. Now, their focus is on providing different types of gear like hiking, mountain biking, kayaking, you name it. So they have dedicated product reviews and they have best of articles. These work together to make it very easy for someone to buy the gear. I like this area here because it rates it, gives it an overall score and their verdict, and it also shows similar products. Now, this is pure play affiliate marketing. What they do is they break down different aspects of the product that the readers will find interesting. Comfort and stability, durability, etc., etc. And they have different images of the product. And I'm not sure if those images of the product were taken from their own testing or from different things around the internet. Either way, they do get a considerable amount of traffic from this and are able to make over $1 million a year. This website has roughly 1.6 million visitors a month, and a lot of their articles, if not all of their articles, are affiliate articles. Now, a key takeaway from this is that your site doesn't have to be beautiful in order to make money. It just needs to be very useful to the people that visit it. The next website on our list is from New York Mag, and it's a section of New York Mag called The Strategist. Now, New York Mag is a huge website, and they saw the potential of affiliate marketing when they started this website. Now, it's a pure play affiliate site. They don't have any other products associated with The Strategist. Now, the New York Mag's Strategist lives on its own folder, its own subdomain of the website. Well, not a subdomain, but a folder. And this is a general consumer website. It has all different types of reviews, and they're really trending. They take from New York Mag's deep understanding of editorial content and craft interesting headlines that are both timely and at times evergreen. So they have multiple sales going on at any given time, and things like what are the best 4-player board games, right? And these are all Amazon affiliate links, and sometimes they have links to specific vendors. All in all, a solid site that's able to generate a lot of income from different affiliate programs. I couldn't actually get their full traffic numbers from SimilarWeb because it sits on a domain that's related to New York Mag, so the numbers would be skewed. So what I did, I used some ninja magic. I went to ahrefs.com. Now, Ahrefs shows you the organic traffic, and you can sort that traffic based on folders in a website. So I can see that they make roughly $3.4 million worth of traffic hit that website every month. 10% of the people, 340,000 people, click on a link for an affiliate product. And out of the total number of people that actually get to the website, 1% buy. That's 34,000 purchases a month. And if we're very conservative and say each purchase is worth about $2 or $2.50, that's almost $80,000 a month, or more than $1 million a year. I'm sure it's much more than that, but we're guesstimating here. So they're doing over $1 million a year in revenue by recommending products to their visitors. The next website on our list is called Snapshort. Now, I'll be the first to tell you, Snapshort is an ugly website. Now, Snapshort could very well be one of the ugliest websites I've seen in a very long time. That notwithstanding, they prominently display their other websites right there in the header, and they have learning paths that people can go through. As you can see, your website does not need to be pretty. The focus of Snapshot is to give really dense information. As you can see here, their menu, you can remove menu options, and they'll show you all the cameras that fit that criteria with the buy now button directly to Amazon. You can see this one here is over $3,000. This one is $4,000, almost $5,000. Now, this is a really great niche because the products are expensive. So even if you get a low commission for every individual product, it'll add up to a lot over time. Even if it's just 1 or 2%, because these are physical products that need to be shipped and have their own cost of production. Now, when you click on an individual item, it'll compare it side by side with the one that's right next to it in kind of specs so that you can get a really detailed breakdown. And this is what has made Snapshort so effective over the years. Even though it's an ugly website, it's really useful for the people that visit it. It gives them a really clear, unbiased breakdown of the different cameras. They also monetize with advertising. Snapshort gets roughly 119,000 visitors a month from search engines. Now, the thing with this is that they're very focused on buyer content. If you're visiting Snapshort, that means you put in what we call a high intent keyword, and you're at the last stages of research before you hit the website. So the last thing is you want to confirm your purchase before you make it. So that means they'll have a very high conversion rate from their affiliate links, because people simply go to the website and then click on the Amazon affiliate link, and they're selling expensive products. So the commissions are much more than $1 or $2, like you would see with a website like The Strategist. So because of this, even though they only have 119,000 visitors a month, they could well be making over $1 million a year. The next website on our list is called Top 10 Reviews. Now, this is pure and simple a review website that's monetized with affiliate links. They don't hide it, and in fact, they're very proud of it. Top 10 Reviews is a pure affiliate marketing website. They cover a lot of different categories because it's top 10 reviews, not top 10 tech reviews or not top 10 gardening reviews. So they have different aspects like money, which we're looking at now, and then is broken down within money into banking, business, credit cards, etc. So they have best of, best emergency food storage, best background checks. And so this is a standard affiliate article. There's really nothing special about it. What they do is they show you their favorite and then they link to it through an affiliate link. And they give a few pros and cons. And really the emphasis is on trying to get you to visit the website. They also have their own content within so that someone who lands on the website will continue exploring. They do have a lot of ads, and I really don't like the emphasis on the advertisement. But hey, it's their website. They can do whatever they want, right? They also have a latest deal section from different companies. Now, these are direct sponsorships because of the level of traffic that this website actually controls. They get roughly 1.29 million visitors a month. When you think about the structure of the website, they have a bit of information or helpful articles, but the majority are reviews. After all, it's called Top 10 Reviews. They do best of articles, and these ones also have high purchase intent. So if we extrapolate the numbers, each visitor is worth $1. Of course, only a percentage will buy, but the products that they promote, some of them are very expensive, so their commission is higher, and some of them aren't as expensive, so their commission will be lower. But if we do the numbers, crunch the numbers, and look at average conversion rates across the board, then they're doing over $1 million a year in revenue. Simple product reviews here, guys. Think about it. The next one on our list is called Tech Radar. Now, Tech Radar looks very, very similar to Top 10 Reviews, and I wouldn't be surprised if they're owned by the same people. That can be an idea. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to do something completely new and novel, and your site doesn't even have to be that pretty. It just needs to be useful. Tech Radar is very similar to Top 10 Reviews. You can see they have a similar menu, the similar deal column, and the way the content is structured is also similar, or the website layout is also similar. The content focuses on best of and individual reviews. Now, within these individual reviews, they set themselves apart by making sure they show the product. These are gadgets, so people want to see how they stand up, how they look when actually in use. They have price comparisons, as well as the functionality of the devices. So they go through all of this inside of their reviews. So the reviews end up being very, very comprehensive, which makes it easier for them to turn visitors into revenue. What I don't like about the website is that it has quite a few advertisements which affect the user experience. See how they are across the sidebar, videos across the bottom? It's a little too much for me. They also have an individual deal section, just like top 10 reviews. Now, the deals are slightly different, but some of them are exactly the same, which leads me to believe that it's held by the same group of people. Even though these websites look really similar, TechRadar has many times more visitors than top 10 reviews. I'm talking about 50 million visitors a month. I don't need to be a scientist or some conversion rate optimization guru to know that they're making over $1 million a year with that kind of traffic. The next website is called The Wirecutter. Now, The Wirecutter is interesting because though they're a review site, they set themselves apart by doing really in-depth and useful reviews. The Wirecutter is a unique website because it's really ugly, but it's worth a lot of money. At least that's based on how much they were bought for a couple years ago. Very basic, very straight to the point affiliate website across different categories. Now, this is an affiliate website that covers basically everything: electronics, home and garden, kitchen and dining, you name it, and they cover it. They have best of and individual product reviews. So what happens is you land on the site for maybe the best of articles. They link off to different articles within that specific category group. And the reviews set themselves apart because they're really detailed. Now, this is a best of article, and it's a standard best of article, the best gifts from mom. They'll show a few different options, give you a summary of them, and then link off to the affiliate article. But they also go deeper in their individual reviews. Let's look at the audio section. Now, this is all their audio content, and they have a review for Roku TV wireless speakers. So within that review, they go through the pros and cons. And they used to be really, really, really great. But I guess since they were bought by the New York Times a couple of years ago, the review quality has reduced a bit, or they haven't been able to keep up that same kind of quality. But this review is still very comprehensive, and it lets people know what they need to know to make an informed decision. Looking at the traffic numbers from the Wirecutter, 7.7 million visitors a month, it's clear that they're making over $1 million in revenue. It was bought by the New York Times a couple of years ago for $30 million. Now, a bit about valuation of websites. A website is valued at about 3 times the yearly profit. It can be between 2.5 to 3 to 4 times. It just depends on a number of factors. But doing a conservative estimate, saying that it's valued at roughly 4 times the value or the revenue that it produces, that means the website was producing $7 or $8 million a year in revenue before it was purchased by the New York Times. The next website comes from an affiliate marketer that talks about, guess what? Affiliate marketing. He started his career quite a while ago, and he has since grown his website into $1 million business. He used to share his income numbers, which was over $2.4 million at the time. Smart Passive Income recently underwent a design, but he monetizes in many different ways. Here you can go down your own learning path, and then you can see that he has different guides based on what you want to accomplish right there on the homepage. It doesn't stop there. He also has a podcast that you can listen to, and he shows a lot of industry professionals for that credibility, and you can view the latest episodes. He also has courses that are sold for $7.99, $9.99, $6.99, and he also has a free one. This just shows you can monetize in so many different ways. He also has a recommended tools page. And if you click on any of the links there, it'll take you to that tool's position in the queue. And these are affiliate links. If you click on them, he will get a cut of the commission. Now, these tools are spread out over very different categories. As you can see here, they're all listed out. And so it just shows you that you can do affiliate marketing. You can create courses. You can sell your own products. You can do consulting. All of this is allowed because just because you're an affiliate marketing site doesn't mean you're limited. Now, he doesn't get very much traffic when compared to the other websites we've looked at. He gets a decent 205,000 visitors a month. But what he does is he builds an email list, and he also has a podcast as well as partnerships with other brands. He also has his own courses and other kinds of products that he sells. So together, all of this is building $1 million business, which means even though you start with affiliate marketing, you don't have to stay there. You can expand out because you're building an authority website. If you don't know what an authority website is, make sure you subscribe to this channel. There's a video, I'll link it down below, that talks all about the different types of affiliate marketing. And I'm also running an authority website case study that you might want to check out. It shows how we're taking a new site from zero to $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 a month through affiliate marketing and other monetization strategies. I'm sure you'll find a lot of value in that. So the next website on our list is called Nutriment. Now, Nutriment, as the name suggests, is about nutritional supplements, biohacking, memory, sleep, etc., etc. As I mentioned before, Nutriment is a website that focuses on different nootropics and the website is divided into different categories based on the outcome that you want. And under each of these categories, there's a different type of nootropic that you can get. It's a pure play affiliate website. You can see the affiliate links in the sidebar. And they're also monetizing using ads. So what they'll do is that they're really fighting for search traffic. So they have categories, best of articles that lead people down the right path, like focus and energy. And if you look in the right sidebar, you can see that they've listed almost everything that they talk about out. Here's one for sleep and mood. So it just continues on like that for a considerable amount of time. Now let's look at an individual article. And this article is your standard affiliate review. In the right sidebar, you can see that they're taking people directly to Amazon as well as within the post and showing related products. And then it starts to break down the different types of nootropics. And if you click on one, it'll start going deeper into that. So this one is Atwell and acetyl L-tyrosine. And it kind of shows what it is, what it does. And again, in the right sidebar, they have a quick summary and a link to Amazon. And then here is basic affiliate marketing benefits, and then the disadvantages, side effects, dosages. So this gives you an idea of how they're monetizing their website. And then again, there are recommended Amazon products at the bottom of the article. Now, Nutriment doesn't have as much traffic as the other websites we've looked at, just 160,000 visitors a month, but the margins are much higher, so the affiliate payouts are also much higher. And they have a few direct partnerships with manufacturers themselves, which will yield a much higher affiliate commission. Going through all these websites, you can see that they're in very, very different niches and have very, very different focuses, traffic levels, monetization strategies. But the thing is that as long as you choose a niche and you stick with it, you're not affected by shiny object syndrome, then you can create a long-term asset that can be sold for millions of dollars down the line. It takes hard work and dedication. Now, if you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will do my best to reply you.